Hello and welcome to the Caring Support Podcast. My name is Annika, and this is a new episode of the Caring Support Care Kits series. Today, we're going to talk about preventing skin damage caused by prolonged use of personal protective equipment, or PPE for short. You know, masks, gloves, gowns, and all the other wearables that healthcare workers like you have to use on a daily basis to stay protected from viruses like COVID-19 and monkeypox. Now, this is a very important topic right now because it has been proven by dermatologists and related specialists that wearing any kind of PPE for too many hours at a time is one of the reasons why frontline workers, like nurses, are experiencing an increase in adverse skin conditions since the beginning of the pandemic. We're talking dry skin rashes, chapped skin, severe itching, and even scars. So, we want to give you some tips to care for your skin, especially if you're a new grad or recently started to work full-time in a healthcare facility. First, try to replace your PPE whenever possible or every 4 hours at the most, making sure your skin is completely dry before doing so. Wash and moisturize the areas that are usually covered by PPE, especially the areas that get the most amount of pressure, such as your nose, ears, and forehead. Third, it's a really good idea to apply an alcohol-free skin barrier or protectant to the skin. These products are known as liquid skin sealants and should be applied to the areas that are most likely to come in contact with PPE and get bruised. One tip is to create your own easy-to-follow skincare routine and stick to it. Don't forget to use SPF. Even if you don't work outdoors and your skin is protected from the sun under all of your PPE, don't skip this step. The reason why is because SPF will actually help your skin stay in better shape to handle prolonged PPE use much better. And lastly, make sure to stay hydrated and eat well. Nothing can be more true. Drinking proper amounts of water and eating a balanced diet will make all the difference. So, for more information on this topic, make sure to visit our blog and read our article titled How to Protect Your Skin from the Effects of Prolonged PPE Use. Or simply go to the description of this episode and click the link. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back with another episode very soon. Bye!